In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple strategy that you can use to start earning money online. And this is only going to take you about 5 to 10 minutes every single day. So I'm going to show you how to do everything right in this video. And if you are new to the channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You would definitely find other interesting videos. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page where you can literally get started and start earning passive income with CPA and affiliate marketing. So the first thing you want to do is to basically go over to Google and you want to type in Microsoft Ads, and you want to make sure to click on this sign up. So once you do that, you'll be able to create your account and your dashboard is going to look like this. So once you come over here, all you need to do is to make sure to click on visit to my website. So once you do that, you want to make sure to select this section that says search ads. Okay, so once you select search ad, you want to click on next. So basically this is where you want to give your campaign a name. And also before you give your campaign a name, you want to make sure you've already chosen a product on clickbank that you want to promote. And to choose a product to promote on clickbank, all you need to do is to click on this marketplace section. And once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page where you are going to have access to varieties of products from various niches that you can start promoting right away. I always recommend you promote products that actually solve people's problem. And to find such products, you can basically come over to this health and fitness category. All right, so an example of such product is this one right here, Pro Dentim, which is a dental product which help people solve their teeth problem. Okay, and also as you can see, this product is going to pay you as high as $125 for every sale you make for this product. All right, so to know more about this product, all you need to do is to click on this link right here. All right, as you can see right here, this product is basically going to help people fix their teeth and gum problem. All right, so basically if you scroll down, you can see this is a very high quality landing page that basically talks about what people are going to get once they purchase this product. Okay, as you can see, whenever they make any purchase right here, you can get a commission as high as $125 for every single sale. So once you do that, all you just need to do from here is to basically click on promote. And once you do that, you want to click on create uplink. All right, so as you can see right here, this is your clickbank link. So the next thing you want to do is to basically go back to the ads page. Now that you've chosen your product, now you want to give your campaign a name. Once you've given your campaign a name, and now you want to basically type in the amount you're willing to spend a day, and you can get started with as low as $5 a day. So now once you type in the amount you're willing to spend a day, here you want to basically select the country you want to target for this product. So basically you can come over here and you can basically select this. Let me choose specific location. So once you do this is where you want to basically type in whatever country you wish to target. Okay, so once you do that, and you want to make sure to select this section that says people searching for or viewing pages about your target location. Okay, so now you want to basically come over here and you want to select the language that is being spoken in that country. Okay, so as you can see, this is selected to English. So once you scroll down, you want to basically click on save and go to the next page. So once you come over to this page, you want to click on this my website is not ready, and here you want to basically give your ad group a name. Here this is where you want to type in the keywords that is going to show up your ad when people search for those keywords online. Okay, so basically if you come over here, you can see there are suggested keywords that you can use right here. Okay, you can see these keywords are pretty much related to this product. So you want to type in as many keywords as you can think of that are related to the product. So once you've done this, all you just need to do is to click on save and go to next page. So once you do this, you want to click on create ad. So once you come to this page, you want to make sure to select responsive search ad. And for the final URL, you want to make sure to use prodentim.com because this is the website selling this product. Okay, you want to make sure to add at least 3 good captivating headlines that will make your visitors want to click on your ad. So once you do that, then you want to scroll down. You want to make sure to add descriptions as well. As you can see, this is a preview of the ad right here. All right, so once you do this, you want to come over to this section that says final URL. All right, so this is where you want to paste in your clickbank link. Okay, so basically once they click on this ad, they will be taken to your clickbank link. All right, so once you do this, all you just need to do is to click on test. So if you do that, as you can see, it says landing page found. So once this works, that means everything is working fine. And from here, you want to click on save. So once you do that, you'll be brought to this page. As you can see right here, it's going to show you how much you want to spend a day for this ad. Okay, so basically you want to leave everything the way it is. And all you just need to do is to basically click on save. All right, so once you do this, your ad is going to be sent for approval, and once it gets approved, your ad is going to start running and you'll start getting clicks on your landing page and start making sales. Okay, so basically if you spend $5 and get a sale a day, and keeping in mind this product is going to pay you $125 for every single sale. Okay, so if we scroll up a bit, as you can see, it's going to show you estimated click that you are going to get. All right, so basically out of this 513 click, if only 2 people purchase this product, you are already in profit. All right, so basically that brings us to the end of today's video, and if you find any value, please leave a like on the video, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.